Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the latest and greatest in beauty products. Today, we're exploring the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set, designed to give you stunning, voluminous curls without any heat damage. This innovative overnight curling solution comes complete with a curling rod headband and 2 satin scrunchies, all wrapped in luxurious satin fabric. The Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set promises classic curls or waves that are frizz-free and gentle on your hair. Whether your locks are straight, wavy, long, or medium length, this versatile set is crafted to accommodate all hair types, making it an excellent choice for teens and adults alike. The easy setup allows you to wrap your hair around the curling rod, secure it with the satin scrunchies, and let the product do its magic overnight. You can also find helpful instructional videos to guide you through the process. In my experience using this product, I found it straightforward and comfortable to wear while sleeping. The satin material feels smooth against the skin, preventing any discomfort that you might associate with traditional curlers. After a night of wear, I was thrilled to see my hair transformed into beautifully defined curls, without the damage typically caused by heat styling tools. Performance-wise, the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set truly delivers on its promise. I tested it on various hair types and it performed remarkably well, creating soft, bouncy curls that held their shape throughout the day. However, one downside is that it may take some practice to get the wrapping technique just right for optimal results, especially for beginners. Now let's discuss the pros and cons. The strengths of this product include its ability to create heatless curls, the use of high-quality satin that prevents frizz, and its ease of use. On the flip side, the learning curve for wrapping your hair might deter some users initially, and it may not work as effectively for very short hair. When comparing the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set to similar products, it stands out due to its luxurious materials and the inclusion of scrunchies, which are often sold separately in other brands. Its price point is competitive, but if you're looking for budget-friendly alternatives, consider brands like Conair or Bedhead, which offer heatless curling options at a lower cost, though they might not provide the same level of comfort or quality. In terms of value for money, the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set is worth the investment for those who want to protect their hair from heat damage while achieving salon-worthy results. The build quality is impressive, with durable materials that promise longevity, so you won't have to worry about wear and tear over time. User-friendliness is one of the highlights of this product. The satin fabric is not only gentle on your hair, but also easy to clean. While I did not have any interactions with customer support, Kitsch is known for its responsive service, making it easier to get assistance if needed. Real-world testing showed that this product consistently delivered beautiful curls, even in humid conditions. The curls remained intact throughout the day, making it a reliable option for those special occasions or everyday wear. As for updates, there have been no major changes since my initial use, ensuring consistent performance every time. In conclusion, I would highly recommend the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set for anyone looking to achieve gorgeous curls without the heat. It's especially suited for individuals who prioritize hair health and want a simple, effective solution. If you're considering giving it a try, I think you'll find it a worthwhile addition to your hair care routine. Thank you for joining me today on Beautyistic. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with our latest content. You can find the link to purchase the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set in the description below. Feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments, or let me know if you've tried this product and what your thoughts are. Happy styling!